Attention is essentially the only currency that matters today, which is why converting hour-long content into viral snackable clips is such a massive challenge for creators. My team and I kept hitting that exact wall while building a personalized learning platform. And that frustration is ultimately the reason we created Vizard. We spent months experimenting with different coding libraries and low-level tools, only to end up with brittle pipelines and incredibly expensive server rendering costs. We realized that the market needed a solution that was automatic, flexible, and scalable, without requiring you to be a senior DevOps engineer just to edit a video. The workflow starts incredibly simply, where you just drag and drop your raw, long-form content into the platform to begin. Our AI engine then goes to work, scanning the footage for emotional spikes, punchy dialogue, and high-energy visuals that are statistically likely to grab attention. Instead of relying on clunky templates, we express every editing action as clean code, which allows for precise trims, zooms, and transitions to execute reliably every single time. Before anything is finalized, a visual feedback loop samples your clip to ensure the composition, lighting, and quality are perfectly on point. Once you are happy with the results, you can plug those clips into an automated schedule that publishes directly to your social channels while you sleep. Under the hood, we utilize headless browser technology to ensure your final render looks exactly like what you see in the preview, meaning no surprise layout errors. We also baked in intelligent guardrails, so you can set strict rules about your branding or content restrictions that the automated system will never violate. While traditional tools force you to choose between low-level control and simplified, rigid templates, Vizard sits comfortably in the sweet spot between the two. Imagine turning a 90-minute live stream into a week's worth of viral, high-engagement clips without you ever having to manually sit through an editing timeline. For professional teams, this means content managers can set the guidelines and approve clips from a unified calendar, saving hours of manual coordination. We also designed the platform to be incredibly cost-effective by optimizing rendering processes, so you are not paying for heavy compute power you do not actually need. Ultimately, our goal is to take away the boring, repetitive parts of the editing process while keeping the creative control entirely in your hands. If you are tired of wrestling with render servers at 2 in the morning, give Vizard a try and see how much faster your creative workflow can become. Stay tuned for our in-depth demo where I show you how to turn an entire 60-minute lecture into 10 polished clips in under 20 minutes.